If when turning on the CP Plus you get a clock and spanner, first thing to do is make sure that there is a good 12 volt at the heater connections and a good data connection. It could be that the 12 volt is missing due to not turning on the isolation switch or the master switch as commonly known. If this is the case, go into the spanner setting, rotate the CP Plus until you get to the reset, press, you will see PR, press again, and that will send an initialization down to the heater. And providing you have a good 12 volt and a good data cable, that should reinstate all the symbols required on the CP Plus.